Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Colorado ZR2. Now, for the month of September, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $1,700 in savings on this specific vehicle. Now, this four-wheel drive crew cab short box comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 17 by 8 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have the ZR2 logo there, and also on the seats we have jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. We have a spot for you to charge your phone, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, your push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys have a great day.